Have you ever struggled with your Schlage smart lock codes? Fret no more. This is the ultimate guide to managing your smart lock codes effortlessly. Schlage's smart locks come with default programming codes. These can be reset if lost, allowing you to regain control. This video will walk you through step-by-step instructions to manage your codes. First, it's essential to understand the common features of all Schlage smart locks. Each lock includes user and programming codes found in the user guide. Programming codes customize features, while user codes unlock the door. Next, let's dive into programming access codes for various Schlage models. For the Encode Plus and Encode, simply enter the 6-digit programming code followed by the desired code. Confirm the action with the designated button. Older models like the Sense and Connect require pressing the Schlage logo first or entering the programming code to initiate. Follow the same sequence for adding or deleting user codes. If you need to manually add a code, you'll start by entering programming mode. Then you'll press 1 to add or 2 to delete. Enter the new code and confirm it. A blink and beep will confirm success. Changing the programming code is just as simple. Enter programming mode, press 3, enter your new code and confirm it. Want to delete all access codes? Initiate programming mode, press 6, and confirm. Be cautious. This action deletes all user codes permanently. The length of your access codes can also be customized through programming mode. This feature is exclusive to the Schlage Sense and Connect. Now let's talk specifics about the most popular models. The Schlage Encode Plus is compatible with Apple HomeKit for easy management. To program it manually, follow the earlier instructions and be aware that app integration disables manual programming. Moving to the Schlage Sense, this model allows for more manual control. You'll initiate programming with the Schlage button and can adapt user codes as needed. If you own the Schlage Connect, similar steps apply, but you can also manage your codes via smart home apps. Now, remember these important security tips. Safeguard your default codes, regularly update codes to stay secure, and avoid predictable combinations. If guests need temporary access, create unique codes for them. By continually managing your Schlage smart lock codes, you promote a safer environment. For any issues with your lock, consult the troubleshooting section or consider professional assistance. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge to manage your Schlage smart lock, take action. Make those necessary changes today to ensure your home stays secure. For more helpful tips, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Happy locking!